Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable margin trading on your Webull account to trade with borrowed funds, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Webull app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. Ensure you meet Webull's requirements for margin trading, including having at least $2,000 in equity in your account. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon or account menu in the app. Step 4. Navigate to Account and then select Account Type Upgrade. Step 5. Look for Margin Account or Enable Margin Trading option. Step 6. Review the margin trading agreement and understand the risks involved with trading on margin, including the possibility of losing more than your initial investment. Step 7. Complete the margin application by answering questions about your trading experience and financial situation. Step 8. Accept the margin agreement terms and conditions after reading them carefully. Step 9. Submit your application for review. Webull will evaluate your account and typically approve it within 1 business day. Once approved, you'll be able to trade on margin and access additional buying power. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.